Hey guys, Mr. T here, just doing another video on how to use the SparkView software and also connect the Pasco wireless temperature probe. So I'm just going to show on the camera what the temperature probe looks like. This is essentially a thermometer that's Bluetooth. So you can see the Bluetooth sign there and 109521. That's the code for this particular wireless temperature probe. And we're going to use this in conjunction with the SparkView software to measure the effectiveness of our solar oven. So you just need to make sure Bluetooth is on your iPad. And what you do is hold down the power button on the temperature probe for a while. Hold it down long enough until it's in Bluetooth mode. So the Bluetooth light is flashing. And so now you can open the SparkView software. Press Build a New Experiment, select the top layout, which is one graph. I'm going to do a line graph. And now, to make sure that your Pasco temperature probe is connected, press the Bluetooth button at the top. It picks up the 109521 temperature probe. It's connecting. It's connected. And so now this graph is set up with time along the bottom, but the y-axis is not set up to measure anything. So you have to select the measurement, and you're going to select that wireless temperature sensor that you just connected. So press temperature, that's it. So this is set up to collect data, but it's not automated. And we want to set it up to be automatic so that you don't have to worry about it. You can just press start in the experiment and it's going to do its thing by itself. So the first thing I want to do is go to this bottom left button here. It looks like a clock. I want it to sample periodically. I want to sample, it's going to be up to your method that you decide, but I'm going to sample it for every 10 seconds. And then this automatic stop condition, right now it's set to manual, so you have to start and stop the experiment yourself. But I'm going to set it to stop after a particular duration. I'm going to set the units to minutes. Then I'm going to set the value. I'm going to run my trials for 5 minutes. Press OK. So just double check that. It's going to run for 5 minutes and automatically sample every 10 seconds from the temperature probe. That's done. So this experiment is set up to repeat that all the time. So what you want to do is go to the menu button on the top left, press Save As, and I'm just going to name it something. Solar oven 5 mins 10 second intervals, which explains exactly what the experiment is doing. Okay, so that's saved there, so you can always open this up ready to go for your trials. Obviously your experiment's going to be different based on the method that you decide, but that is just a quick run through of how to connect your temperature probe and set up an experiment ready to run trials.